So something exciting just came in the mail. This package is from Dermadry. They are a Canadian-based company whose vision is to empower people with hyperhidrosis to get the dryness that they deserve. So if you don't know what hyperhidrosis is, it's basically a clinical diagnosis for like excessive sweating. That could be like hands, feet, or underarms. And it has different severities. So it could just be clammy, or you could have like beads of sweat forming. So this is a machine that Dermadry has created with dermatologists as well as researchers to help with hyperhidrosis. So I'm gonna open this and show you what's inside. Okay, so this is what the box looks like straight out of the shipping package. And when you open it up, you have a little thank you note as well as some contact or help information if you need. And then you have the Dermadry machine itself, nicely packaged in this little container here. So I'm pretty sure this container also doubles as what you use the machine in, but I'll read a little bit more on that later. On the inside, you have the machine itself. You have some of the metal pieces here, power cord. I believe these are the sponges that the metal pieces go in for your underarms. And then underneath, you have the instructions. It's very important to please read this through thoroughly. The metal plates, which are for your hands and your feet, I believe, as well as 2 towels. All right, so that was everything that came in the box. I did a little bit of reading in the instruction booklet, and it looks like for my moderate hyperhidrosis, it's gonna take about 2 to 3 weeks to see results, doing it about 3 to 5 times a week. So I will show my initial use of the machine and how I set it up. And then I'll keep you guys updated on my progress along with, before and after pictures. But I just want to thank Dermadry for sending me this to test out, and I hope you guys enjoyed.